Wagwan everybody, blessings. You don't know, it's your boy Clean Car Chris. Welcome back to my channel where it's all about car detailing with nothing but good vibes. Yeah man, I have a quick product review for you guys today, all about the infamous P&S Xpress Interior Cleaner. Alright my people, you don't know, say, the exterior of your car is a very important part, but you can never forget the interior. Trust me guys, this product right here is absolutely awesome. I keep it in my arsenal all the time. This product, some of the claims on the label, you can see right here. Zoom in real quick. First up, it says it cleans leather. I actually read somewhere online that this product was actually formulated to actually be a leather cleaner. Turns out it's pretty awesome to clean all surfaces on the interior. It says it here also, cleans vinyl and plastic. Pleasing fragrance. Let's take a smell. I've smelled this many times before, and every time I do smell it, it is very pleasing. Has a nice, fresh, clean scent to it. If anybody out there can actually describe what it smells like, drop some comments. Let me know what you think. And also it says, leaves no residue behind, which is very important. Last thing you want is to do a nice cleanup on the inside, wipe off, and there's some residue left behind. All right, so let's dive straight into it. I'm just gonna give you a quick demo on some panels inside my work truck. And here I have it in a 16-ounce bottle. I like to dilute this product. That's a plus right there, it's dilutable. Here, I like to dilute it 1:1. That's my sweet spot. If anybody out there dilutes it differently, let me know what works out for you. Of course, you're gonna have your clean microfibers. If you're just doing a light wipe down, you can either just spray it directly on the panel or just a few spritz on your towel, and you just wipe down. That's when you're just doing a quick thing. Your panels are not too dirty. You're just doing a quick maintenance thing, just a quick light wipe down. You can do it just like that, pretty simply, of course. Flip to a dry side, buff off. Right? Or if you want to do like a more light agitation, these Detail Factory brushes, the synthetic ones, work awesome. Just spray it directly onto either the panel or the brush. And look how awesome that foams up. And remember guys, this is diluted 1:1, and it's foaming up pretty nicely, same way. So yes, it does wipe off very easily. And as you can see, it's not leaving any residue behind. All right, a dry side. And let's give it a light buff. And something to note as well with this product, once you're done mopping up, it does leave a nice smooth finish to it. It leaves behind like a nice satinish, I don't know, matte or OEM type finish, which I love. And it does feel smooth. You can smell the product, it smells fresh, smells really nice. If you really want to get in there, if your panel is really soiled, you can grab your Scrub Ninja, spray directly on or on the panel, whichever guys. There's so many ways you can do this, right? And you can actually just go ahead and scrub the area. I'm sure you guys know this area is always a little bit more soil than most areas because driver's side is where you tend to rest your arm. So this product is excellent for cleaning up body oils, light dirt, and so forth. Just a couple more spritz. And you do see it does foam up really nicely. Good working action. It is pretty safe on most of your decals too, your tags. It's not overly strong where it will, fade the lettering, stickers, stuff like that. You don't have to worry too much about damaging any of those parts of the car either. Easy wipe up, and if you guys know me by now by watching some of my videos, you know I love my air tools. I'd actually just use my air tool and just blow these little crevices out. But you know, not necessary, it's just my style, you know. But as you can see, this panel was pretty clean to begin with, but it leaves no residue behind. Smooth to the touch, smells fresh, looks clean, pretty awesome. Yeah, my people, and like I said, it's safe on all the surfaces. Even your center console area, my gear shift, the steering wheel, the dash, you know what I mean? No worries when you're using this product. See? Let's give it a light agitation, like I showed you on the door panel. Yeah, light agitation, or you can give it a scrub. Whatever you desire, my people. It just depends on how soiled the surface is, right? Easy mop up. Look how easy that was. Boom, dry side, just buff off a bit, and there you have it. A nice clean center air to rest your arm on. Check out this now. You know, you might be dropping your coffee mugs, couple spritz, a little agitation, foams up nice with the brush, smells nice in here. You just go ahead and mop up. One, two, three, ABC. Your steering wheel, couple sprays. You know, around and around we go. Here, right here. It's safe even on your indicator levers. Like I said, it's excellent for body oils. Anywhere you're touching a lot, it's gonna take those body oils right off. All right. Check it deeper, my people. It's also safe on leather seats. You know what I'm saying? No leather seats in my ride, but I actually did a video on the channel about how to clean leather seats and to condition them, and I did use the P&S Xpress diluted 1-to-1 and the P&S conditioner for leather seats. So check that out. Mad. All right, my people, so there you have it. You don't know, so this is an awesome interior cleaner, the Xpress Interior Cleaner by P&S. It's very affordable, guys. On Amazon right now, it's going for like about 28 bucks. I'll leave a link in the description to it, so you can check it out if you want. Like I said, it's a whole gallon for that price, so it's very cost effective. I like to dilute mine 1-to-1 as mentioned, so you're basically getting 2 gallons worth of product. So check it out, guys. You don't know, sir. It's your boy Clean Car Chris. Every Wednesday, we're coming at you 4 p.m. Keep it locked. Respect.